Hi, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Farah. Today we're going to be cooking chicken biryani. It's a recipe that's loved around the country and it's very easy to make. First of all, we will need to marinate with our biryani powder. So I'm going to just add the full contents of the sachet into my medium chicken. I will mix my yogurt. I use this Lancashire Farm live whole milk natural yogurt from Asda. Give it a good stir. Stir it all in. The ingredients for this recipe are 3 onions, two tablespoons of salt, a couple of cloves of garlic and a couple of cloves of ginger. Mine are just mixed in. So here we have 1 medium chicken that's been mixed with the biryani mix. We marinated this yesterday night, and I've got 2.5 cups of rice, and you need 3 tomatoes. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to add some olive oil to the pan. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the onions into the pan. There. So the next step is to add the garlic and the ginger paste. Following on from this, I will add my salt and my tomatoes, and I will then go straight in with my chicken. Just ensure that you give it a good stir. You just leave this to cook. Takes approximately maybe 40 minutes to an hour. I usually leave it in for an hour to keep on the safe side. Just apply the lid and allow it to cook. So we're almost there. We just need to give it another 15 to 20 minutes. Also with this recipe you add some food colouring to the rice, so I will just now mix the food colouring so that once the rice is boiled we can colour the rice. So you just need approximately half a teaspoon with some water. I usually put in warm water. Just give that a good mix. And just leave it on the side to simmer. So now I'm just going to move the chicken over to the side and allow it to simmer, because I need to actually begin with the rice. I have now washed my rice and I am just going to put that in straight in there with some hot water. A teaspoon of salt, a good stir. So the rice has now been drained, so we will start preparing our biryani. So I'm just adding some rice into the pan. Here I have my bowl of chicken. First we will add the dye, the food dye. There you go. Then we will add the chicken. And we will then add some more rice, cover up the chicken. And we go in with some And we go in with some more dye. Then we add some chicken. We add the remainder of the chicken. Remainder of the rice. Top that up with some more food dye. That just gives you, this colouring just gives your rice a really nice colour. And then we put that on the pan and allow it to just cook for about 15 minutes. So next you just add some foil onto your pan and seal it and leave it for 15 minutes and allow it to cook. So the biryani is now ready and cooked, so we just take the pan cover off and we give it a really good mix through so that the meat and the rice just mix through. So as you can see, it's a really easy and delicious recipe. Try it at home and let me know how you get on. And do comment in the comment section below. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.